This one we're trying to just basically simplify it. And this one specifies that we need to use our calculator on it, and that's kind of the hint, if you will. And the way that we're going to simplify this one, unfortunately our calculator doesn't have a log base 5 button on it. So what we're going to use is the change of base formula. And the change of base formula basically says that we can take this one here and represent it as a fraction, okay? Where this y value here is on top and the x value is on bottom. And when we take this one here, this means that this 23 will be on top and the 5 will be on bottom. And it has to, and we can use it on any base here. The one on your calculator is a log base 10. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to convert this one to a fraction. So here we go. We see our 23 on top and our 5 on bottom. And notice that this is no longer log base 5. This is log base 10. And we chose log base 10 because that's the one on our calculator. But it is the 5, it was the base that goes on bottom, and this 23 remains on top. Okay, now let's bring in our calculator to do this. All we're going to do is plug this into our calculator. Let's bring it over here so it's a little bit more out of the way. Okay, and this one says log 23 divided by log 5. So I'm going to go log 23. Make sure that you close your parenthesis, otherwise you'll get the wrong answer. Divided by log 5. Now, these are all log base 10, and that's why we're using this one here. That's why we chose this one, because we can easily plug it into our calculator. And we hit enter, and it gives us this answer here. And we're asked to approximate to the nearest thousandth. And thousandth will be 3 decimal places. So we go 1.948, it looks like, 1.948. So then we just write that that is our answer. Let's do another one. This is log base 2 4.1. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. This 4.1 will remain on top. This 2 will go on the bottom. And again, these are log base 10s here now that we've converted them. So we're going to do that one now. And we're going to just type in log 1.4. Close that parenthesis, otherwise you'll get the wrong answer. Divided by log 2. Hit enter, and here's your answer. And again, we want to round it to the nearest thousandth, which is 3 decimals, so 0.485, 0.485, and that's our answer here, 0.485. Now I want to do one last one that is already in base 10, just to show you. This is log 3. The same rules can apply here, meaning we will have the 3 on top. We have to have whatever our base is. In this case, it's 10. Log base 10 of 10. Now, the shortcut here is you can just take your calculator, just type in log 3, and that will give you whatever it is. But just so that you know that the rules still apply for this, we'll do it for that one as well. So again, you can just type in log 3, close your parenthesis, and hit enter, and that will give you your answer. And that is your answer. I got that from right here. We just type it in. If you wanted to do it this way, though, it will still work. Log 3 over log 10. So now we'll try that one. Log 3 divided by log 10. And hit enter. You notice both of these two answers are the same. So that's where it's coming from. It doesn't matter which one you want to do. This way is just a little bit easier. Just type in log 3 and hit enter. But remember to round it to the nearest thousandth at 3 decimals.